7 ways to prevent being hijacked or victim of a
So
smash
the
and
tips
grab
that has
Cape
been
Town
given to me
edition.
from credible sources on how to avoid being hijacked and being smash and grabbed is the following. Stay away at all times. Number two, avoid high risk times and areas. Number three, keep your doors locked and windows up. Don't stop to close the cars in front of you. Stay low profile. Be strategic when arriving at home. Choose safe stops. Vary your routines. Watch for staging tactics. And number 10 is if you're confronted, don't risk, don't resist. That is the most concerning thing for me to be stated that to tell you don't resist. It's literally telling me because it's saying that your life is more valuable than the object that they are taking from you, whether it be your phone, whether it be your car. But I mean, like, are we really now so numb to crime that we are giving into it, guys? Or are we really accepting it as this is the norm of the new South Africa, the new dispensation that we are currently living in? I think not. I think this is a problem that needs to be addressed with all the stakeholders in our communities, whether it being the police, whether it being activism, whether it being the policing forum, whether it being ordinary community members and leaders taking a stand and saying we need to relook this problem in our communities. We need to say why put up this board saying that this is a smash and grab hotspot. What are we implementing to say and to prevent this of happening again?